So today we're going to be learning about the access list. But before that, you should watch my video about static routing because that's going to be an important element here. Okay, so let's start. Here I have three routers that are all connected to each other. So I'm gonna try to ping from this router to the second router, and it should connect because I haven't done any access list jobs. So let's start to ping it now. As you can see, it connected, and that's not a good thing here because we want this PC to deny access and this PC to admit access. And so to do that, we can actually use what's called an access list. So this should make the first PC deny access from the ping and the second PC permit it. Okay, so the list is done, and now they should do exactly that. Let's try it right now. See if we try to ping from this computer to the PC on the second router. That works. Oh, wait, no, it timed out because in the list it should tell it to deny pings from from that PC. And now let's try to ping the other PC, the PC that should permit data. And yeah, that works because in the list it tells it to permit data from that router. And so this list is working because it can filter out which PC can receive pings and which PC can't. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Feel free to watch my other videos. They're pretty cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.